but a 14-year-old definitely know if a man propositioned her for sex or not. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the JLP member. He is a member of parliament that was seen on video assaulting a woman, and I'm gonna give you guys a full details first, and then I'm gonna give you guys my opinions, and also I'm gonna put the green screen video behind me and also show it somewhere here that you can see it properly. So it says, under fire, Jamaica Labour Party legislator George Wright could face the police as early as today as his party considered denouncing him. Public pressure mounts for him to resign from Gordon House. Investigators confirmed on Monday that Wright was a person of interest in the probe of a video recorded fight in which a man was seen brutally assaulting a woman in Hanover on April 8th. Or April 6th. Acting crime officer for the parish, Detective Inspector Carl Brown, said a lawyer representing the first-time lawmaker contacted the police saying Wright would come in for a visit today or Wednesday. That development followed a statement from the ruling JLP, which urged the Westmoreland Central representative to immediately make himself available to the police. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has not spoken officially on the matter. That the party statement said its call was on the leader's instruction. There is confirmation that the party member and the MP conducted himself as is being alleged. The consequences will be swift. There is no place in the JLP for individual who abuses or attacks anyone, in particular women, added the statement, quoting Dr. Horace Chang, the party's general secretary, who is also the national security minister. Hanover police said Wright, claiming he was attacked, made a report on April 6th at the Rambo police station, apparently following one filed by the woman within Anchovy Police nearby in St. James. Authorities have been unable to locate the two persons so far, leading the senior crime officer for the parish to label the lawmaker elusive. The male figure in the video is in fact Central Westmoreland Member of Parliament George Wright, and the female in question told the police that she is involved in a relationship with him, Brown said. However, in a Radio Jamaica interview late Monday, the confidence dimmed as the cop said there was no evidence to support claims that the person in view was Wright, although the information gathered so far pointed to the MP. And this is where they build reasonable doubt that this is not him. And I hope the woman come forward and actually say it was him. Because all of this, until she comes forward, is alleged information. However, in a Gleaner interview, the cop explained that in his complaint, Wright said he saw the woman along the roadway in Chester Castle, Hanover, and approached her, and after which an argument developed and he was basically attacked by her. And that is a lie. I can show you guys the video. The video is probably going to be playing behind me. He was attacking that woman. He literally wasn't even fighting back. She was just trying to not get hit. Okay, so that right there is a lie. In the almost 7-minute video, the man exited a white vehicle and had a conversation with a woman who was standing nearby. After a few seconds, the man was apparently collared and slapped and then dragged to the side of the black vehicle parked in front of the white one. There, the man continued to hit the woman repeatedly. In the melee, the man in the video picked up what appeared to be a stool and used it to hit the woman, triggering another struggle before they left in their respective vehicles. Calls to Wright's phone on Monday went unanswered. With the police confirmation, rights tenure in the nation's parliament should end, argued Judith Wedderburn, an independent gender and development advocate. The government needs to take action and not just talk, and I agree. The action and demonstrate that it is in fact committed to defending women's rights for a safe community, for a safe space while the police do their work, she said. The advocate argued that strong action was important now as the parliament deliberates on a proposed sexual harassment law and ponders recommendation to strengthen legislation to protect women and girls. And honestly, the laws to protect women and girls needs to be amended so badly in Jamaica that it's disgusting, to say the least. The alleged backstory to this assault video, is that the MP and the woman in the video are in a relationship. The woman have a 14-year-old daughter who is doing online schooling. She asked him to buy the stepdaughter a laptop, and he said fine. He took her to get the laptop, but when he showed up at the store, he didn't have enough money. While on his way leaving the store to go to the ATM, he propositioned the stepdaughter for sex. The stepdaughter then texted her mom, told her mom, and her mom told her to leave the car, get public transportation, and head home. And that is the alleged information and the backstory to this video. No one knows if it's true or not, but a 14-year-old definitely know if a man propositioned her for sex or not. And I'm waiting for her and her mom to actually come forward. I'm sure he's somewhere concocting some story as to why he did what he did, but that is the word on the street. Okay, what are your thoughts about him? Do you think he needs to be charged for assault? Do you think he needs to resign from his position? What do you think about Andrew Holness never speaking up? And he definitely have not said anything about this particular case with a member in his party seen assaulting a woman. What are your thoughts about that? What are your thoughts about Jamaica Labour Party have the most elected females, and they have not ever tried to get laws amended or new laws put into place to protect Jamaican females and their females themselves. So what do you think about those women in parliament that you guys elected? What are your thoughts on this whole situation? Do you believe his story? Do you believe the alleged story, or do you believe any of it? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.